guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing another Shein clothing haul. I didn't get that many items, so this is not going to be that long, but I just wanted to show you guys what I got. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe before I start this video, and I hope you guys enjoy it. So this first piece is just like a gray bodysuit. I had seen someone else wearing this. I think it was on Instagram, but I thought it was so cute, like the little detailing in the middle. And it's kind of see-through, so you might have to wear like a nude color bra with it, but I thought this was like really cute if you want to just throw something on. So that's the first thing I got. I also paired it with like a little clear bag that I believe I got from Shein also. If you haven't seen my last haul, check that out because I got like a lot of accessories. So I just thought that this would be cute, like if I wanted to pair with something. You could really wear this with any bag, but I thought that the clear bag really went with it. So I just wanted to show you guys like a different option. So this probably was like one of my favorites out of the whole haul, this like brown jumpsuit. I liked it because it had the zipper. The only thing that I didn't really care for was the fact that it is a little bit sheer. I had on a nude bra, but it's a little sheer. I just liked the fact that it had a zipper, but the little cup part, like my breasts are kind of big, so the cup part was kind of like too small. But overall, it's a really cute jumpsuit, so I really loved it. I also paired this with like a little brown bag. I think that this would go best with like nude accessories just because it's like a skin tone type of look. So you could also wear this with like a lot of things, but I just felt like that bag like really fit the outfit. So this next one that I got was a plain black bodysuit. You really can't go wrong with one of these. Like, if my stomach was flatter, I would probably be like more excited about it. I don't know why I was coughing right there, but anyways, this black bodysuit could be worn with literally anything. So that's really why I picked it up, and it was really affordable. So I suggest you get one of those. Now this outfit was really giving me like, I don't even know what it was giving me, but I love these shorts. I don't know what it is, like it just makes me feel like so cute. I don't know, something about like the little line detail is super cute. The last haul I did, I got some like biker shorts that had the little line, but it wasn't skinny, and like I'm really weird about stuff like that. So this is the exact line that I was looking for. It's like perfect. I love it. I have a little red bag that I think I got from Boohoo, but whatever. I just thought that this outfit was just everything. These were just some plain, well, not plain, but they were black biker shorts and they have a little flame on them. I thought they were really, really cute. Like, I already ordered some sandals to go with it. I can't wait to wear this. I think it's so cute. And I feel like you can't really go wrong with biker shorts in general, but like the little design just set it off for me. Like, it just did it for me. I really love these. So I got this white crop top. That last crop top I also got from Shein. So I got it in white and black. I thought this was super cute because you just always need one of these. And I also got these shorts just to throw on because I feel like you always need like some sort of like sweat short in the summertime if you want to wear sneakers or whatever. It's just super cute and they're actually really comfortable. It comes with the drawstring and like these cargo type pockets. So I love these. So I got two bathing suits, but the other one I couldn't even get it up my ankle. This one is like a cute white bathing suit. I thought this was cute. It is nice, but will I be able to wear it? I'm not really sure because it's not holding my boobs up like at all. Like, it's just not doing it, but it is cute. So maybe if I can make it work with like a cover up, you know, that's fine. If you have a smaller breast than me, you can definitely wear this. I like the little one shoulder. It's cute. You know, I'll probably Okay guys, that completes this try on haul. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you have any questions below about anything that I wore, how it fit. I will definitely be sure to answer, and do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I don't know why I have to say that. Like, you should have already subscribed like 10 minutes ago. But anyways, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.